Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. It's Queen Karma. Today we're going to be reviewing the Modelones Nail Tips and Glue Gel Kit from Amazon. It's currently listed as $17.09, but they always have coupons. They put in a lamp here that I so love. It is with a USB connector, but that's fine. They have a very bold 6-in-1 15 milliliter gel glue. Very bold statement. And along with that are 5 different nail tip styles, some French tip stickers that guide you to help create that very nice and even French arc, and also a nail file and a beautiful burnt orange sheen. It's kind of like the rub-on pigment. It's so beautiful. So they do include this file right here that we're just not going to use, but look at how pretty this is. 5 different types of tips and different lengths. So I will put on one per finger so that we can see exactly how these look. Now I created an entire look with this kit, literally from start to finish, you guys, start to finish. Typically I'll borrow the big lamp, but I cured everything with this lamp. So we're gonna do the folding test to see if it'll spring back up, and it does not. So easily will indent into these tips, and will also leave that white crease vertically and horizontally. So that is the con about these tips. Regardless, you get 5 different styles. It is still a very good kit. Okay, so here I am doing the method that we all know and love, which is the Apré dupe method. And if you don't know or love this method yet, we need to get you on it. Okay, very fast, very easy, and it is painless. Now I know some of you will be scrunching up your noses like, okay, I thought the purpose of the dupe method was to find something comparable to the soft gel tips of the Apré system. Well, this system is not gel, nor does it claim to be, at least tips, and that's okay because the glue that they manufactured to go with the tips that they have tied in with this product go very well together. And so for me, absolutely no complaints. I still think that this is a product that I can recommend, especially because of the fact that I was able to, do a look from start to finish with this. So here I am just making sure that the edges are nice and trim, and also buffed out the surface because of the fact that they are not gel. I then go with their 6-in-1 base and use it as the base coat for their rub-in product, and it is a beautiful pumpkin burnt orange, perfect fall color, and it is so easy, you guys. Just rub it in and it is good to go. Here I am just using a little bit of acetone to clean up around the corners, and then waiting to put on the top coat after I do my French tips here. They provide you with 2 sheets worth of these French style stickers, these guides, and they have the chevron ones too, but I wanted to use these today, and all I'm doing is applying that same rub-on powder that they have, that chrome powder, on the tips, and later going in with some stickers to hide the smile line and kind of accent it as well. But anywho, this is my tutorial. I hope you enjoy it, and I'm so thankful that you stopped by. Thank you.